Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Beginner teaches Python programming to himself. So today we will again do revision of list. We saw that list is a group of elements shown by square bracket. List can store different type of elements. It can store integers, floats, and string. It is mutable. We can modify the list, and it is dynamic. Size is not fixed, and list elements are accessed by index number. Okay. So in the list L, if you want to see the third element, we have to say list in the square bracket 2. That we'll see. So here I will take a list of say fruits. Okay. So this is my first list, and I have one more list also. Second list. Okay, so list 1 we have these fruits: apple, mango, watermelon, and banana. And you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. Second list there are 2 elements. Now here I say list 1 dot, and I put my cursor here. I can see there are append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse. So we will see all these things. Okay, so first we'll begin with append. I want to add something in the list. Okay, so here I had made a list of things what we can do. List, first thing we can see the length of the list. So by printing the print, there is a function len. Okay, len function will tell us what is the length of the list. Okay, so list 1, it says 4. That means there are 4 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. And next we'll go for append. Okay, so we'll go for this append. List 1 dot, even if you forget this append, it is there, you can see. Okay, so there are all these things: append, copy, extend, index, insert, pop, remove. Okay, so we'll go for append. And I want to add in this list, say, can go by single or double quotation, no problem. I want to add orange. So list 1 dot append, and whatever you want to add, that string you can write, then print list 1. Okay, and we'll see this append operation. So print list 1, and we see this orange is added in the end of the list. Now we'll go for insert. Okay, second one we'll go for insert list 1 dot, it is there, insert. Here, unlike append, you have to give the index number where you want your new element. So for example, I want to add kiwi, and I give the index number 0. That means I want at very first of the list. Okay, and we'll see. So I put list dot insert in the bracket 0 as the index. You can give any index, and the string, and you see the kiwi has taken the first place. Okay, kiwi, apple, mango, watermelon, all these things. Now we'll go for remove. Okay, so I go for remove list 1 dot remove. For example, I don't like apple, so I'll choose apple, and I'll go for print list and you see apple is gone. So we see that we saw up till now append, we saw insert. There you have to give the index number. Then index, we discuss about this. First one is always 0, next one is 1, 2 and onwards. Remove, we saw print list dot remove and the element which you want to remove. Now we'll see pop. So list one dot pop. So this will remove the last element. Okay, if I go for a print list, you see the last one orange is gone. Okay, now we'll go for sort. We'll go for sort. Did we see extend? We have not seen extend so far. So first we'll see the extend. Okay, so this became a crowded. So I'll go for the new one. That is a better option. New one will be better. So I'll copy the list again on this one. This is my list one. I put it here. And this is my list 2. Instead of typing again, I prefer this simple way to copy paste, save the energy. Okay, so now I want to go for extend. We can use extend list one dot extend. It is there also. If you just say list and bring your cursor here, you will see the extend is there. Extend. In the bracket I put list 2. So what will happen? Print list 1. You see now the list 2 grapes and strawberries will get added to that one. By what we did, list 1 dot extend in the bracket list 2. So this grapes and strawberry got added in that one. So we saw pop also. List dot pop will remove the last one. We can go on popping till list become empty. It's possible. Now we'll see the sort. This one is important. List 1 dot sort. Okay, and I will do print list. List 1. Okay. And you see now after doing sorting, it has done the alphabetical way. So apple has taken the first position, banana is second position, and as the alphabetical order it has taken the most. Now if I say for example a is equal to, I make one list of numbers, for example 3, 9, 5, 9, anything, to say 1, say 5. Okay, and I take this and now I go for a dot sort. And I print a. So what will happen? It will be sorted out in ascending order, right? It got in the ascending order. If I do the same thing, and in the bracket, for example, I say reverse is equal to true. Okay, and now if I print a, what will happen?